one thing in this world, you never know what a day will bring. It's time for the hunt. How you all doing? Don't worry, I haven't lost my mind. the, the Civic is safe. No, I did not sell it. And I was just we joke. But what you seen there was Rhonda going to the shop, and me with money what I just lifted from my bank, which that brought me to where I'm at. I'm sitting in Blackpool. So maybe I have lost my mind, but there's another car sitting outside the hotel. But yeah, you seen there we went to Newcastle, but me and Harvey had the decision. Yeah, afterwards I'm not back to work the Monday. This is Friday, so we'll make a weekend of it before we head home, and we'll go over to Blackpool. But yeah, this all started a couple of months ago. Few months ago, whenever we bought the wee Nissan Cube from a car dealer outside Cookstown, and at the time the guy had a couple of other cars for sale. One in particular, a Nissan Primera GT. He had two of them, but one in particular was of interest. And at the time, yes, we were about to go on holidays. I just bought a car with a wee Cube for Rhonda. But ever since, I'd been sort of gathering up. I rung him a few Mondays ago, and I said that Nissan Primera, I'm interested. I see it's still on the website. He said, sorry, unfortunately that car's sold on Friday. So I just missed out. Originally got me so interested in cars. Yes, there was Gran Turismo, the computer game, but on the PlayStation. But there was also the British Touring Car Championship, which I had a big interest in during the 90s, and loved watching racing. I loved watching the cars. You know, there've been guys, young boys in the 90s would have Ferraris in their bedroom wall. I had a poster of a Volvo S40, the BTCC, on the bedroom wall as a teenager. And I used to wake up and look at the Volvo S40, and so that had an effect on me. I just would have loved that style of car. And sort of the planted sort of big wheels, and then of the British touring cars, of the super tours of the 90s. And sort of when I seen those Nissan Primeras, it sort of reignited that wee interest in me, and I started watching more and more videos and stuff like that of the old 90s touring cars, and that sort of built the desires to sort of go down that route with a car for myself. I missed out on that Nissan Primera. So I did start to look around me at other options. There was a wee Mazda I actually went and looked at one night. Everything was good about the car. I mean, the floor of it, there was no rot. The engine, everything was driving well, but the two sides of the car looked like they were sprayed with a rattle can. And the car would have needed resprayed to look right. And the old lady that had the car just didn't understand that, and she wanted top book price for the car, so I had to walk away from that one. Another one, it was I seen a Ford Mondeo 2000 ST, or 200, or ST 200, and that car was amazing. A lot of work and stuff done it. there's loads of options, and off those old 90s cars out there, and they're not crazy money. The thing, the Renault Lagunas, I would love one of those, but, and there's a 406 as well, but it's finding a hot version. I think Renault did make a V6 Laguna, Peugeot maybe did make a V6 406, but those are almost impossible to find. But there was another car that did pop up, and straight away it was on the money. You know, it had the perfect mix of sort of the old touring car style and sort of modern show car style, and it's I straight away I read up when I seen it. You just knew that. Yep, how much is it? I can afford that. And then I read the write up, messaged the guy. He sent me loads of photos and video clips and stuff like that. Yep, he sent me. The car had maybe only like a month's MOT left on it. I'd say to him, I'm very interested if you could put the year's MOT on it. He said he would do it. And what he did, it went through the MOT on Tuesday night.
Do you think it was built from a minter, or do you think it's been a proper minter anyway?
Oh no, it's been a minter to start with. He wouldn't buy shite in that. Hence why the front end's still sound.
Remember buying the tools to do them bushes, still got it. The rose grind bushes.
He's had all the back end done, like I say.
He contacted me here, a year's MOT on it now, so I said, right, let's go for it. I flew to Newcastle this morning, and afterwards, we decided we'll make a weekend of it, and we've landed in Blackpool. For those of you who do not understand the serious racing machines the Super Tours were back in the 90s, I'll play a wee clip here from Jekyll. This is a recent clip, racing in modern times, and on Brands Hatch. Jekyll is a professional racing driver, and he has raced in the more modern. He's quite a young fellow. He has raced in the modern British Touring Car Championship, and yes, he did get an opportunity to have a race in a short series in the old 90s Super Tours. Very lucky man. But yeah, and Jake Hill has a YouTube channel there. There's also Daniel Lloyd, a touring car driver that has a YouTube channel, and they're professional drivers that deserve support and are worth watching. You know, YouTube at the minute's way mad with watching drifters, but I'd put any money on it. Any of those drifters on YouTube and their drift cars would have a tough time keeping up round Brands Hatch with that Nissan Primera. People say, "Oh, front wheel drive. What good is it? Watch that Nissan Primera in action." So the weekend isn't just about buying an old 90s car, also about experiencing something what I loved in the 90s, Blackpool and Blackpool Pleasure Beach. And Harvey's never been here before, and straight away it's looking a little bit different from what I remember. But we're looking forward to checking us out and seeing what's Blackpool's got in store for us. We just went on the Derby racers.
And it was so much fun.
That was great crack. I was actually felt a lot faster even when you were on it.
I know. It reminded me of when I was horse riding.
Harvey used to horse ride. And I think COVID sort of got stopped, and then we never got back to it. But that there was great crack.
I know.
Definitely.
I definitely recommend it if you ever come here.
Oh, where are we at? Where are we at? Right here. Right, something will jump out on us. You have to be ready. Oh, there. You have to be ready. Wait, this is the big one. This is the big one. Are you ready? Oh, look at that. Right, now you're ready. You ready for this? Whoa! Holy smokes! We're trying to build our way up to one of some of these roller coasters. I think I'm going to start with the Avalanche. The Avalanche is an old one of my old favourites. So we're going to go with. Obviously, Harvey's quite a tall kid. Without an adult, you do have to be 132 centimetres. With an adult, you have to be at least 112 centimetres. Harvey is fine. Right, we did the Avalanche, and
It's something I'll never forget. The ride was crazy. It went off the track. One of the very few roller coasters in the world that goes off the track. It was going like down a slide.
I'd forgotten about how good that was. And
was so good.
Brilliant, and with some crack. And we're going to keep going on round. But yes, I did see there, but they captured the photos for you, and they can send it free to you here on your Pleasure Beach app and all that. But it's £20 to unlock the photo. So a screenshot will do. You'll be getting free hundreds of pounds if you were downloading the photos of every ride. But I think £20 is too much.
Screenshot is for free.
If there were £2 or £3 to download the photo, more people would do it, and they would make more money, surely. Time for a trip down the Vikings with the Vikings in Van Halla. That concludes the day at the Blackpool Pleasure Beach, which was an amazing day.
Amazing. It was an incredible experience. I loved it. Like,
Harvey had never been here before. For me, it was a wee bit of a blast from the past. Just it's 20 years since I've been here. Hopefully, it won't be 20 years before I'm back. Definitely highly recommend Van Halla, but yes, if you ever come, appropriate footwear. Other than me getting my feet soaked, it didn't really bother me getting splashed with water. But yeah, I've had a pair of Crocs on or something. I'd have been fine laughing. But yeah, unbelievable. You do see throughout the theme park the old and against the new. Yes, this place is an old theme park, but everything's still good. I know, and that's one snag maybe would be some of the merchandise in the shops is very expensive and too expensive, and I think they would sell a lot more of it if they reduced the prices on them. But yeah, it is what it is. But definitely a good day out, and definitely I'll be back to Blackpool a lot sooner.
oh, and my favourite ride was, I forgot the name of it. You know, the one where we just did there.
Avalanche.
Avalanche. The Avalanche is so good. I recommend it. It's like in the Winter Olympics, like it's when you're doing the tobogganing, when you start off at the slope, it's fine. Then it is like chaos. It's like so much fun. I highly recommend it.
The Avalanche is amazing. Yeah, we did it twice, and
The only one we did twice.
yeah, that's worth the ticket price in here alone. Yes, it costs 70 quid for the e-tickets online
But
to
it
get.
was worth the money. It was,
And it was worth the money if you went down for a day with a young fella down to Curry's and Portrush. You could easily blew 70 quid. So 70 quid under here to go around everything as much as you want. No, you get what you pay for. It's worth it.
it's making memories.
Yes, which are priceless. I had this cool wee arcade recommended to me here by my brother, right beside the Blackpool football team grounds. So I'll go and check it out here. together we completed the final fight.
The final fight completed. We saw the ending and now we're at the credits scene.
Never seen that far in the game before. Cheers for watching, everyone. Yeah, I wanted a 90s style touring car, and I think I got a cool one. I'm really happy with the Vectra. So far it's been faultless. And drive away from Newcastle to Blackpool, and then from Blackpool to Kinryan, and home. It's been so far so good. Looking forward to getting it out to a few wee events and stuff. But cheers for watching. Trying to get wee man to sleep. Praise the Lord for every single day. Goodbye.